What if I told you that some animals have been sleeping inside ice for thousands of years, and they still have their fur, their blood, and maybe even their DNA? These aren't myths, they're real, and what scientists found inside them changed everything we thought we knew about life on Earth. In 2010, a group of hunters in Siberia stumbled across something sticking out of a riverbank. It was a leg, a woolly mammoth's leg. What they uncovered was Yucca, a female mammoth who died roughly 39,000 years ago. She was so well preserved that her fur was still reddish-brown, her skin was intact, her trunk still there. But here's the part that will blow your mind. Scientists found liquid blood pooled beneath her body. Real blood. After nearly 40,000 years in the ice. That discovery sent researchers into overdrive, because with blood comes DNA, and with DNA comes one very big question. Could we bring her back? The project is still ongoing, and it might actually happen. In 2014, scientists in Alaska discovered something that seemed physically impossible. A school of small freshwater fish, called Alaska blackfish, were found completely frozen solid inside a block of ice. No heartbeat, no movement, no signs of life. Then the ice melted, and the fish swam away. These fish have evolved a kind of biological antifreeze. Their cells don't burst when frozen. Their bodies essentially pause and then restart like nothing happened. You think you've seen resilience? These fish were literally dead. And then they weren't. In 2016, gold miners in the Yukon made a discovery that stopped them cold. Buried in ancient permafrost was a wolf pup. She was about 7 weeks old when she died, 57,000 years ago. She's the most complete ancient wolf ever found. Her fur, her paws, her tiny teeth. Scientists named her Jour, meaning wolf in the local Han language. But the real shock came from her stomach. Her last meal was still inside her, salmon, which told researchers that even 57,000 years ago, wolves and salmon shared the same ecosystem, a connection no one had proven before. One frozen pup rewrote the map of prehistoric life. This one sounds like a superpower, because it basically is. Meet the wood frog, a tiny amphibian native to North America. Every winter, it does something no vertebrate should be able to do. It freezes itself solid. Its heart stops. Its breathing stops. Ice crystals form inside its body. By every definition of the word, it is dead. But when spring arrives, it thaws and hops away like nothing happened. Scientists discovered the frog produces massive amounts of glucose, essentially natural sugar syrup, that protects its cells during freezing. They're now studying this mechanism to improve human organ preservation for transplants. A frog the size of your thumb might one day save human lives. In 2020, researchers in New Zealand pulled a mummified bird out of a mountain cave. It was an upland moa, a massive, flightless bird that went extinct roughly 800 years ago. But what was extraordinary wasn't just the bird, it was the condition. Its feathers were intact, its muscle tissue survived, even its toenails were still attached. DNA analysis revealed something stunning. The moa's closest living relative is not any bird you'd expect. It's the kiwi, a bird barely a fraction of its size. 800 years in a frozen cave, and it still had secrets to tell. Ice doesn't just preserve bodies, it preserves history. Every creature we pull from the permafrost is a message from a world that existed long before us, and we're just getting started. Next time on BEASTORY, we're going deeper. Ancient parasites found in frozen soil that scientists are now afraid to thaw. You'll want to see this one. If this video hit different, subscribe to BEASTORY right now. New episodes drop every week. Hit the bell so you never miss a thing. See you next time.